Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 27th December 2024. India is considering cutting income tax for individuals making up to 1.5 million rupees a year in February's budget, to provide relief to the middle class and boost consumption as the economy slows. The move could benefit tens of millions of taxpayers, especially city dwellers burdened by high living costs, if they opt for a 2020 tax system that strips exemptions like housing rentals. India gets a bulk of its income tax from persons earning at least 10 million rupees, the rate for which is 30%. India is well on its way to become the world's third largest economy in the next 5 years, the World Economic Forum said in a report earlier this year. This growth, while driven by traditionally thriving sectors that include manufacturing, information technology and banking, is now being boosted by emerging sectors that are projected to grow further in 2025. Two such sectors that have emerged with prominent potential this year are global capability centers and data centers. Indian banks' financial health has remained strong with expansions in loans and deposits. Gross bad loan ratios decreased to over 13-year lows and net bad loans also declined. Banks have improved their balance sheets and profitability. The Reserve Bank of India emphasized strengthening risk management and IT governance. Non-bank lenders need prudent growth approaches and robust risk management frameworks. India's Finance Ministry is optimistic about the country's economic growth, projecting a 6.5% growth in financial year 25. Rural demand continues to be strong, with significant increases in vehicle and tractor sales in late 2024. Urban demand is also improving, evidenced by rising passenger vehicle sales and domestic air traffic. ICAI plans to set up 11 centers of excellence in 3 years, focusing on AI and IFSC to boost financial literacy and globalize India's accounting sector. 2 centers of excellence are operational, with a third launching in Kolkata by January 2025. ICAI will also host the World Forum of Accountants in January 2025. NFRA has penalized and debarred auditors for major lapses in the audit of DB Realty Limited for financial year 2015-16, including misreporting guarantees, negligence in loan reviews, inadequate investment audits, misleading financial reports, and violations of auditing and legal standards. The order underscores gross negligence, insufficient professional skepticism, and substantial risks to stakeholders. NFRA has also issued a significant order addressing audit lapses in the statutory audits of Zee Entertainment's financial statements for financial year 2018-19 and 2019-20. The order highlighted negligence, including the auditor's failure to report unauthorized use of company funds, lack of professional skepticism, and deficiencies in audit evidence. Consequently, the audit firm was fined Rs 2 crore and individual partners received penalties and debarment. ICAI plans to finalize international networking guidelines for CA firms by fiscal year end, alongside reforms like simplified merger norms, relaxed advertising rules, and extended demerger timelines. These changes aim to position India as a global accounting hub while ongoing discussions address NFRA's proposed auditing standards. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.